Hey folks, Scott Kelby here from Kelby One, an online educational community helping people learn Photoshop and Lightroom and photography. And today we are doing renaming. Why are we renaming our photos? Because these names that you see here, like _31A1492.cr2, do you absolutely no good. If you ever need to search for images, they're completely useless. So let's give them a name that makes sense. And you should do this for all your photos. You shouldn't have photos in here that were named by your camera with a random naming scheme that your camera company came up with. So here's how you fix this quickly and easily. First, go to the collection or folder where you want to rename stuff. Well, this is a collection in this case. Let's select all of the images in the collection. Then you go to the library module. You're in the library module, and you're going to go to the library menu, and right here you're going to choose rename photos. Now, when this thing first comes up, it's just going to say custom name. Well, you can't have more than one photo with the same name. So what you're going to do is go from custom name, click on hold and choose custom name plus sequence. That way you can give it a name. We'll just call it some descriptive name, fashion hat. That's okay. I'm not great at naming things, but it's a more descriptive name than _31A1492. Now, every photo would be named fashion hat except for your sequence over here. Because you have a starting number that you've chosen, you can choose any one. Of course, by default, it's going to start with number 1, but your images will be renamed fashion hat 1, fashion hat 2, fashion hat 3, and so on. Now, when you click OK, it happens very, very quickly, and boom, they're done. Just that quick, and that was not through the magic of video. It happens just that quick. It's important to note, this is really interesting, it actually renames the actual files on my external hard drive. So these are stored on an external hard drive. It actually goes and renames them. It's not just renaming them inside of Lightroom. It's doing something more important. It's really renaming the actual files, and I think that's a great thing. So there you go, folks. Thanks very much. Hey, if you feel like checking out Kelby One and learning more about Lightroom, well, go to kelby1.com. Thanks, everybody. We'll catch you guys next time.